Hello friends, I'm back with another interesting robot which you can construct using Qurio Reach Kit, a dog in a kennel. Let's look at the step 1. We'll take one C plate, one L plate and join them using two 0.5-inch bolts and nuts. One at this place, one at this place. Observe that this is a non-flat side of the C plate and L plate here. We'll take one more C plate, one more L plate and again connect with two nuts and bolts, one here, one here. This one has a flat side of C plate and L plate on the top. We'll call this assembly as assembly A and this one as assembly B. We'll take assembly A in step 2 and connect a DC motor with motor shaft. Now again watch, this is a flat side in front. We'll go to step 3. Here we will take one big gear, gear B, and connect a 1.5-inch bolt and nut tightly secured to the gear. Once we connect that, then we are going to put 3 spacers on top of it. And this gear we will insert onto the motor shaft and lock it using a shaft lock. This assembly we will call as assembly C. In our next step, we will take one rectangular plate and one single bar and connect them together using one flat connector and two 0.5-inch bolts and nuts here, one flat connector and two 0.5-inch bolts and nuts this side. We'll take one more rectangular plate and connect on the other side of the single bar using one flat connector and two nuts and bolts here, one flat connector and two nuts and bolts here. This one we'll call assembly D. In our next step, we will take assembly C and assembly B and connect assembly D on them using two nuts and bolts here, two nuts and bolts here. Now observe here, I have left these 3 holes and this slit and joined this ahead. Why? Because we need space for this gear to rotate properly. Let's go to next step. Here we will take one single bar and connect one L connector using a 0.5-inch bolt and nut here. And then we'll take one 1.5-inch bolt and through the other hole of the L connector we will tighten it using nut. Now this has to be tightly secured. And then on top of it we'll put 3 spacers. On this side of single bar we will connect one flat rotator using one 0.5-inch bolt and nut. That will leave one circular hole here, and this circular hole we are going to mount it onto the 1.5-inch bolt of the big gear in our next step. We'll call this assembly E. Here we'll take this assembly E, and now this circular hole is mounted on to the 1.5-inch bolt of this gear and connected using a nut which is loosely coupled. The 1.5-inch bolt of this assembly E is inserted through this long slit of single bar, and then one nut is loosely coupled to that. That means when this gear rotates, this point is going to go back and front in a circular way, and that is going to push and pull this rod, and that will mean that this point, this part of the 1.5-inch bolt is going to go back and forth, and we are going to attach a figure of a dog onto this bolt, and as we rotate the motor, the dog will go front and back. We create a dog house, a kennel, and we'll put this assembly inside such that this dog is coming out of the door and going in. I hope you love the construction of this robot. Make the props and operate it. It looks lovely. And do write your comments in the comment section. I'll come with another interesting robot. Till then, see you.